Class 2, they are very happy, fit, fine and nice at their homes. Once again, Article is here to make you learn something new and different in EVS. Right? So dear students, you already have seen we already started the chapter number 15, seasons. Right? Number 15, season. And how parts you have seen of the chapter? So you have seen the two parts of the chapter. You have seen the two parts of the chapter, and this is part number 3. This is part number 3. Right? So Indian today we will discuss about Indian season. Before discussing about the Indian season, I want to take a small recap of the lectures. So dear students, we are learning about the weather and the season. Weather and the season. And what is the definition of the weather? So the weather is the condition of air. The condition of the air place is called weather. This is the definition of the weather. The condition of air is called weather. Why is it written over here? Because this is the most important part which can change the weather. Air is the most precious part of the atmosphere which can change the weather. Because of weather, because of air, weather always keeps changing. When the dry and hot air is blowing, then what we will say? We will say yes, this is summer season. This is summer season. This is summer season only dry and hot air blow. Right? Rainy season, during rainy season in air. During rainy season in air, the moisture is present in the air. Rainy season, moisture is present in the air. है ना? Moisture means nami. In Hindi we can call it nami. Rainy season it is happening in our daily life when we open a biscuit packet. है ना? When we will open a biscuit packet, some time because of moisture. है ना? After some time because of moisture only the biscuits is not program. है ना? Because of moisture only. Because of moisture. During rainy season, rain carry the moisture, and during winter season, the air carry the coolness with us. That's why we can say the condition of air at a particular place is called weather. The condition of air is a particular place is called weather, and the weather may change time to time. Weather is not remain same. This is the big property of the weather. This is the quality of the weather, that weather is not remain same. It may change time to time. Sometimes we will feel very hot during the daytime, and when evening time is there, because of air only we start feeling little coolness. So because of air only, right? Then I told you that This is the definition of the weather. No? The condition of air at a place is called weather. But what is the definition of season? When the same weather is remain for few weeks, for few days, for few weeks, for few months. So we can declare yes, now this season is started. This is the definition of season. When weather remains same over a long time, when weather remains same over a long time, we can call it this period season. We can call it this period season. So in India usually we have summer season, monsoon, winter and spring. When you will go in further classes, when you will go in class 3, that time you will read about the more seasons. You will read about the more seasons. So in today's lecture we will discuss about the Indian season. We will discuss about the Indian seasons. So today we will discuss about Indian season. So see, actually dear students, we all Indians are very lucky. We all Indians are very lucky because we have all types of seasons. We can enjoy each and every season. But in the when we will talk about the worldwide, no? When we will talk about the whole world, so the weather and the season of the entire world may sometimes it may be possible that some countries has the one or two type of season only in entire year, right? So when we will talk about the country Dubai has no rainy season, Dubai has no winter season. There is only one season, that is summer season, and all the time there is hotness and hotness. So all the time there is hot and dry winds are blowing because there is no any other season, or entire year or maximum one or two time they have the rainfall, है ना. दुबई एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पर पूरे साल में सिर्फ एक या दो बार मुश्किल से बारिश होती है. So we can say that yes, we Indians are more lucky because we have all the seasons. We can enjoy summer season, we can enjoy summer food, we can enjoy monsoon season, we can enjoy monsoon food, we can enjoy winter season, we can enjoy spring season also and autumn also. So we all are very lucky because we have so many seasons. So move on and we will discuss about the Indian season, and I am going to read on page number 88 about summer season. Number 1, summer season. Summer season in Hindi we can call it ग्रीष्म ऋतु और गर्मियों का मौसम. ठीक है. So whatever is written I will read for you, then step by step I will make you understand. So I am hoping that all the class 2 students have their EVS notebook in the hand and pencil also. If you will realize that this is the good part of your learning or this is the important part, you can make it underline there and there only. Okay. So shall we start? All right. So summer is the hottest season. Summer is the hottest season of India. When summer season will start, then what kind of wind starts blowing during summer season? During summer days, the wind is very dry and hot. During summer season, the air is very dry and hot, and that dry and hot wind is called loo. which we usually called loo, right? So the air is mostly warm and dry. It is also written in the book, and I already told you during summer season the wind is very warm and dry. When the sun shines brightly, we stay indoors as it is very hot outside. So during summer season, usually we all are not going outside, especially during daytime, because daytime is very hot. The sun shines very brightly during daytime, and the hot and dry winds blow, which makes us sick. So we cannot go out during summer time, especially in daytime, during daytime, right? So we enjoy cold drink and juicy fruits like watermelon, mangoes. We wear light cotton clothes. We use fan, coolers and air conditioners. Some people go hill station where it is the cool in summer. So the entire summary about the summer season is written in the paragraph. See, dear students, during summer season, sun is very hot. Why sun is very hot? Because the sun rays, जो सूरज की किरणें होती हैं, the sun rays come straight to the earth. The sun rays come straight to the earth. That's why we all are feeling very, very hot. The sun rays straight come to the earth. That's why we all are feeling very hot. And during summer time, during summer season, the air is very warm, dry and hot. And when we will step out from home, at home, during daytime, we can fall sick because of hot and warm air. So usually we human beings are avoid to go out during daytime in summer season. And summer season we all will wear the cotton clothes, and the speciality of the cotton clothes is that cotton clothes keeps our body cool. I already told you thousands time these statement, these line, I already told you thousands time that cotton clothes keeps our body cool. That's why during summer time we usually wear the cotton clothes. And the cotton clothes we all are tying our head also, we all are cover our head with the cotton cloth. So the sun rays will not come directly on our head, because when sun rays will come directly on our head, we can fall the sunstroke. जो गर्मियों के मौसम में जो लू लगती है, उस लू से बचाने के लिए भी we will cover our face and our ears with cotton cloth, right? And we stay inside of the house and we enjoy the indoor games. And during summer season, summer season, because of hotness, we should drink plenty of water during summer season, and we should use the juicy fruits like watermelon, mango, muskmelon, pineapple, oranges, these types of fruits which give us the juice. We should use juicy fruits during summer season. And summer season is the season when we can enjoy the different types of juices, different types of soft drinks, different types of ice creams also. And people are using fans, coolers and air conditions to keep our body cool. Why we want to keep our body cool? Because the weather is hot. So we need coolness. When the weather is cold, we need hot things. Okay. So some people they plan their holidays, they make the plan to go on hill stations to keep their body cool, to enjoy their vacations, right? Now this is all about the summer season. Now we will discuss about monsoon. Now we will discuss about monsoon. Number 2. Monsoon. Monsoon word, when we will hear this word monsoons, the images starts coming is in our mind about the rain, about the clouds, about the colorful umbrellas, about the gumboots, about the sound of frogs, right? So monsoon is called what? Monsoon is called the rainy season. Monsoon is called the rainy season, and monsoon is a wind that blows from the sea. It brings rain to the most part of the country. So I already told you that the condition of air is the cause to change the weather. The condition of air is the cause to change the weather. That's why during monsoon season, the wind that blow from the sea, जो समुद्र से जो हवाएं चलती हैं, it brings rain in the most part of our country. You have heard so many times in news channels that कि अरब की खाड़ी में कम दबाव का क्षेत्र बना है, बंगाल की खाड़ी में कम दबाव का क्षेत्र बना है, जिसकी वजह से बादल आ गए हैं या बारिश हो सकती है, राइट? सो बिकॉज ऑफ the wind only that blow from the seas, it may the cause of the monsoon in the most part of the country. And rain is very important for growing crops, for nature, for animals, because rainy season will come straight after the summer season. So we all are waiting actually the rainy season, because we all are fed up with the summer season. We all are not actually enjoying in the summer season. Summer season, nobody is actually liking the summer season. Neither human beings nor animals and the plants. Nobody will like the summer season. Summer season mein you can see the greenery outside? No. Can we enjoy in summer season? No. Can we eat lots of delicious food in summer season? No. दिन भर तो we all are feeling hot and we always drinking the water and the water and the water only. So summer season usually people are not liking, animals are not liking, even the nature is also not liking the summer season. Nature also wait for the rainy season, because rainy season makes the nature cool. When rainy season will start, we can see lots of greenery outside. All the forests, all the jungles, all the trees have their new green leaves. All around us we can see green environment. So we also feel very good during monsoon season. है ना? Now rainy season is the important for growing crops also. Rain is very important rain is very precious to us, rain is very important to us, because when rain will not come, then what will happen? How we'll get the drinking water? How crops can survive? How animals can survive? How forests, how jungles can survive? So rain is very important. Rain is the main source of the water, and water is very precious to us, very precious to us. We cannot stay alive without water. We cannot survive without water. Without water, nobody can survive, neither human beings nor animals or nature. No one can survive without water. Even during winter season, we not need more water. But, again I will tell you that water is very needed, very precious to us. Do not waste water. जो भी कीमती चीज होती है उसको बर्बाद नहीं किया जाता है. सो हीरे मोती सोना चांदी से भी ज्यादा कीमती पानी है. वी कैन सर्वाइव विदाउट गोल्ड, वी कैन सर्वाइव विदाउट डायमंड, वी कैन सर्वाइव विदाउट सिल्वर, बट वी कैन नॉट सर्वाइव विदाउट फूड. We cannot survive without air. We cannot survive without vegetables. We cannot survive without fruits. We cannot survive without grains. And we all are getting all these things because of rain only, because of water only. So water is very precious to all of us. Right. So now we will discuss about the clothes which we all are wearing in monsoon season, in rainy season. So we all are using the umbrellas. We all are carry the umbrellas. And when we will go out in rainy season, we will use gumboots, raincoats, and children's also floating the paper boards on the small puddles. पानी में, बारिश में जो छोटे छोटे पानी के गड्ढे भर जाते हैं, children's are loving to floating the paper boards on that puddles. Right? Understand about summer and monsoon season? Okay, now move on and we will discuss about winter season. Number 3, winter. Number 3, winter season. So winter season is the most pleasant, is the most coolest season. We cover our body with the woolen cloth and enjoy the sun during the day. We love to have hot drinks like tea and coffee. Sometimes it's snow on very cold day and hills. Enjoy looks white due to snow. So nothing is given about the winter season, but I will tell you each and everything about the winter season. See beta, during summer season what kinds of wind, what kinds of air is blowing? The hot and the dry wind, right? And when we will talk about the rainy season, so what kind of wind, what kind of air blow? So during rainy season, during monsoon season, rain or air carry the moisture with us. Air carry the moisture with us during rainy season. And when we will talk about the winter season, so the winter season is the most pleasant season of the year, and we can say in this season the air, the wind which blow, it's very cool and breeze. And because of cool winds, because of cold breeze, we all are feeling cold. We all are feeling cold. And some part of our country which is located in the mountain area, in the hilly areas, there is a snowfall over there. During winter season, in mountain area, in high mountain area, in high hilly areas, there is a snowfall. And because of that snowfall, in the ground areas, we all are feeling cold. जो पहाड़ों पर जो बर्फ गिरती है, लाइक हिमाचल प्रदेश, लद्दाख, सिक्किम, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, उन पहाड़ों पर जो बर्फ गिरती है, उस बर्फ की वजह से ही, उस स्नोफॉल की वजह से ही वहाँ से जो ठंडी हवाएं मैदानी इलाकों में आती हैं, then only we can feel cold. Right? So during winter season, what kinds of clothes we all are using? We all are using woolen clothes. We all are using woolen clothes, and woolen clothes keeps our body warm. Because the weather is very cold outside, so we want to keep our body warm. That is our need. That's why during winter season season we all are wearing woolen clothes like blazers, sweaters, scarf, muffler, hand gloves, trousers, leggings we all are using, and we all are enjoying hot and spicy food. During winter season we all love to drink more tea, more coffee, more soups, and during winter season is the season when we can eat the different kinds of delicious sweets like gajak, like different kinds of paratha, different kinds of halwa we can eat during winter season. And winter season our digestion system work very nicely. During winter season our digestive system work very nicely, so we can eat a lot and we can digest a lot. But during winter season we all are not actually drinking lots of water because of coldness only. So but our body needs water. If we will not feel thirsty, we will not drink, then what we will do? We should drink more soups like tomato soup, bottle gourd soup, Spanish soup, so our body gets the proper liquid diet, है ना. जो ठंड का मौसम होता है ना बेटा, उस समय हमें ज़्यादा प्यास नहीं लगती है, तो हमारे शरीर में पानी की कमी तो होती है, और उसी पानी की कमी से हमारे पेट में दर्द होता है. If we want to remove the stomach ache, actually we should always drink more water. But during winter season we all are not feeling very thirsty, so we should go with the different kinds of soups. We should drink tomato soup, we should have bottle gourd soup, the beetroot soup, the Spanish soup, all different kinds of soups we should enjoy in this season. And it's snow on very cold day and hill. Everything look white due to snow. When we will talk about the snow areas, the mountain areas, there is a snowfall. So everywhere white and white. So during winter season we all feel very happy. Nature is happy, animals also happy, human beings also happy. Right, now last but not least, spring season. Number 4, spring season. Spring season. Spring season is the most pleasant season of the year. The spring season falls between winter and summer. The duration of spring season is between winter and summer. ठंड और गर्मियों के बीच के जो टाइम होता है, that is called spring season. That duration is called spring season. And what is the speciality of spring season? Spring season में flowers are bloom and new leaves grow on the plants during this time. Flowers are bloom everywhere, especially the sunflower. And spring season is the most pleasant season of the year. That's why we can call it the queen of season. Here it is written in your book with the red ink, queen of season. And who loves the spring season? Everybody. Butterfly, especially butterfly love spring season because flowers are blooms everywhere. And butterfly love to suck the nectar of flowers. So butterfly loves spring season. During spring, what is the duration of spring season? Between winter and summer. The time period is called spring season. And what is the speciality of spring season? Flowers bloom everywhere and new leaves grow on the plants this time. And the spring season is so pleasant season of the year. That's why we can call it the queen of the season. And butterfly loves spring season. Who loves the spring season? Butterfly loves spring season. Right? So, here we are completing the chapter number 15, season. This is the last lecture which you are going to see, and Here I am winding up my lecture. So today we discussed about the Indian weather. So Indian seasons. So there are 4 Indian seasons: summer season, monsoon, winter, and spring. So today we discussed about all these seasons. When we will meet in the next lecture, then we will solve the exercise. So we will start exercise with the new words, and when we will meet in the next lecture, you have to get ready with your notebook, because we will write the exercise in the book. So when we will meet in the next lecture, get ready with your notebook, pencil, eraser and sharpener. So till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you all, keep study, keep watching, bye.